Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. So I found out today that the wife of Ron T. Sawyer, Mrs. Ron T. Sawyer, is currently on the mend. I'm a little fuzzy on the exact details, but plain old Chuck did a video, so did another gentleman whose channel name, I'm embarrassed to say, I'm a little trying to remember what it was accurately. I'll link both videos in the description anyway, along with Ron's channel. Maybe head over there and wish him some goodwill, so some good fortune and some, you know, some fast healing. And I'm gonna do a little candle burn for them. I'll do that right now. All right, so I got two candles here. This one is gonna be for Mrs. Ron T. Sawyer, and this is gonna be for everybody else who's currently on the mend